Hey everyone, this is Jerry with Credit on Point, and in this video, I want to go over a question that I get a lot, which is, does Credit Karma actually hurt your credit score? Now, the short answer is no, it doesn't, and I'm going to explain why. Now, there are two different types of inquiries. There's a hard inquiry and there's a soft inquiry. A hard inquiry is when a financial company or company pulls your credit because they're trying to give you some sort of financing, right? I'll give you an example right here. So this is an Experian credit report, and as you can see here, a company Santander, which gives out loans, and they pulled the Experian credit report. Some companies pull one company, and some other companies pull, all three credit reports. It just depends. So every company is different. Like an example right here is Credco. They pulled all three, right? Now, when this happens, you get what's called a hard inquiry, and this stays on your credit report for up to 2 years. Now, hard inquiries can hurt your credit score if you get an excessive amount of hard inquiries, right? You want to keep your credit report to a minimum of 3 to 4 inquiries. Once you start to get past that number, that's when it starts to have an effect on your credit report, right? A thing that I don't like is like going to a car dealership. A car dealership, not a major car dealership, like an off-lease car dealership. What they'll do is they'll shotgun your credit report to like 20 different companies, and these banks will then pull your credit report, and you'll have 20 different inquiries just to get one loan, right? You want to stay away from certain things like that because that'll have a damaging effect on your credit report, again, for up to 2 years. Now, a soft inquiry is different. Soft inquiry is when a company, like let's say you're applying for a job, they might do a soft inquiry to see, if you have a good credit score, right? Credit card companies are known for doing soft inquiries. What they do is they do a soft inquiry and see if they can offer you pre-approvals, right? They'll do a soft inquiry, send you something in the mail after they see that you might qualify for this credit card that they offered at the time of them pulling your credit report. And also credit monitoring services like a Credit Karma, right? We went over that. Credit Karma, there's Credit Check Total, there's Identity IQ. There's a bunch of freecreditscore.com. There's a bunch of these credit monitoring services that'll pull your credit report. That way you can kind of see what's going on with your credit. Some might offer one credit bureau, some might offer two, some might offer all three, depending on the service, right? This is a soft inquiry. This has no lasting effect on your credit report. You can have a ton of these on your credit report. You can actually see this on your credit report if you go to annualcreditreport.com and you pull your free credit reports for the year. You're allowed to get one free credit report every year. And when you do this, you can scroll down to the inquiry section, and below that, you'll see all the soft inquiries that were pulled as well. Now, as far as hard inquiries go, though they have to stay on your credit report for 2 years, there's a legal way to getting these inquiries removed off your credit report. And if you're having trouble with this, if you're having trouble trying to get approved for funding, or trying to get approvals because you have these inquiries on your credit report, I do have a free webinar that I'm offering to show you the legal way to removing these inquiries off your credit report and removing them quick. So click the link wherever it's located in this video. It should be below the video. And from there, you could just take this, you can sign up for the free webinar that I'm offering. Free cost, no charge to you. And hopefully this video was of some use to you and very informative. And I'll see you soon. All right. Peace.